Let's make some pork chops today. I bought some pork chops from the store here in town. I'm going to use 2 large cloves of garlic, some fresh rosemary, blue cheese, love blue cheese, some olive oil, some white wine, heavy cream, and some seasoned salt. Let's get started. I'm going to add some olive oil, just however much you think you need, to the pan. I dried off my pork chops with paper towel. Got them very dry and seasoned them with the seasoned salt. My pan's been heating about 5 minutes over a medium heat. We're going to cook these up. It's been going about 4 minutes. Give them a turn. These have gone another 4 minutes. Take them and remove them. Put them on a plate and set them aside. I'm going to pour off most of the fat. Alright. We're going to add the rosemary and the garlic. This comes together very quickly. If you don't like blue cheese, there's other cheeses that I think would work, like Asiago would be very nice. We'd have to shred that though. So I'm going to pour in a half a cup of white wine and cook the wine down and deglaze the pan. The wine has reduced, it's gotten darker. I'm going to go ahead and take out the rosemary. It's reduced about 2.5 minutes. It smells wonderful. I'm going to add the cream, 1/4 cup. The 2 ounces of blue cheese. I'm going to reduce the heat down from medium to medium low and get this cheese mixed in and smooth, and then we're ready to plate. We'll sauce our plate. We'll have a taste. I made 2 pork chops for me and 1 for you. And if you were actually here, I'd give you 1.5. So good. So delicious. I really hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching.